Okay folks, here's a sad but true story regarding my Cobramatic changer. Something happened to it, and I'll explain what it is. Yesterday it was playing fine. Yesterday morning I put a short stack of records on it, 4 records I think, and one of the records failed to drop down, and the arm, it must have stuck part way. The arm went back on to play the record it just had played, and then the record above it dropped down on top of it. And ever since then, the audio is very unsteady. Now I took the cartridge out and I straightened out the stylus according to what I think it's supposed to be. I'll show a picture of that in a minute, but in somewhere in this video. But anyways, it plays, but it doesn't play correctly. So I'm going to show you how it plays. Volume up high enough to show you that you can hear the rumbling of the mechanism. I do know that the rubber parts in this turntable should be redone. I think West Tech still does that, but I haven't taken it apart and had the rubber wheels actually rebuilt. But let me play this record. Hear how it sounds? If I put my finger on top of it, it plays fine. But listen to that. Now this thing was playing just like this before the accident yesterday. Now I'm getting this. So what happened? I can't see anything that what happened other than the fact that maybe the stylus cartridge is now bad, but it doesn't look bad. I can't figure it out.
When my baby smiles at me,
What could be wrong? I mean, it was playing just like this before that record crashed. Just like this.
Listen, buddy, give him the smile that just brings love.
And then, so what changed? What happened? Is it the cartridge? I know the rubber parts need to be rebuilt, but they're the same as it was working just fine before the accident. Hopefully somebody can tell me. Hopefully somebody can tell me what might have happened to this turntable. At least I hope.